Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are back in the kitchen. The sun is shining and welcome to Thursday. So we've made it through the first half of this week. We're cruising down to the second half and Friday is tomorrow. So yay for the end of the week. It's almost here. It's been a long week for us, but lots of fun things going on. I was a little tired this morning because last night my dance class that I've been taking, so my daughter and I both have had our weekly dance classes on Wednesday nights for most of the fall season. I think they started up in mid-August. So she was doing her little 1-hour class that was tap, ballet, and tumbling. And then after I run her home, then I go back into town and I have my adult dance class, which is kind of an intermediate level tap class and ballet, stretching, jazz. We're all somewhat seasoned dancers who grew up dancing. A lot of us grew up dancing together at my mom's dance studio back in the day. And so it's fun for us just to get together and kind of get moving again. We're all sort of rusty and have, become moms, a lot of us, and grown up, but it's just fun to do something like that we enjoy together. And last night we finished up our class a little bit early and then headed to one of the girls' houses. I guess she's not a girl, she's my age, she's a woman. But she was so kind and she hosted us all at her home so that we could have a little festive party at the end of the season. So I got home a little later than normal and I needed an extra cup today, so I'm enjoying some tea from a mug that my sister Olivia gave me. I don't remember if it was, I think it was last year. Isn't that funny? I love the little raccoon on the front. So so I needed a little extra help this morning. I did go for my walk, but it was later than normal, but that's because I was delivering Jordan Essentials orders throughout town. I had to stop by the post office and get one package of items mailed out to someone, and then I dropped the other one off at someone's home who lives here locally. So that was just kind of a fun way to start my day. And what else have we been up to this week? So last weekend, on Friday night, we had the Christmas walks here in our town. It was a really busy weekend. Then Saturday, we had the holiday house tour here. So this coming Friday, it's a repeat of the Christmas walk. So we'll be attending that, and it'll be fun. We usually try to get together. This has been a tradition maybe for the last 3 or 4 years, I think, since all of us have started having children in my family. So my siblings come over with their children and significant others, and usually my mom and stepdad and often my dad too, and sometimes extra friends and family come too, but we all meet up here at our house and have, usually some mulled wine and for the adults, and then hot chocolate for the kids, and we kind of get ourselves all bundled up and ready to go. Everyone parks here, and then we start walking through town, and we all get to enjoy the Christmas walks together. The kids get to go see Santa, and we hear the carolers and ride the carriage rides and go see the chestnuts roasting on the open fire in the town square. It's just all kinds of fun. So I'm looking forward to that, and kind of need to do some things to get ready for that. So yeah, it's been a fun week and lots of fun stuff coming up, but I do feel like now it's finally that last push of getting everything done and getting ready for the big day and Christmas. So on to our mission for today. So we are on to, today is Thursday, December 12th. So we are on to our mission number 9. To read and think. Our mission number 9, which is just to review your holiday control journal. So you're gonna check all of your lists and then check them twice, because this is the time to start wrapping things up. So the Fly Lady just mentions if you're gonna be entertaining, check your menu, check your shopping list, check your supplies, make sure you have all of what you need. So that's one of the things I'm gonna be doing today, is that I've got my little old calendar that I use for menu planning. So I need to sit down and make sure I have what I need for this weekend with my family coming over. Like, I think we need wine. That would be an important element in the mulled wine. I think I need to pick up some wine. I'm pretty sure I have hot chocolate mix on hand, but I might need to check my milk and make sure I don't need to buy another half gallon of milk. And we usually, some of us bring some desserts, and so after we've all kind of had our dinner in town at all of the various places, then we come back here when we're all finished and have some dessert together. We're also celebrating my brother and my stepdad's birthday, and now my niece, who is just turning 2, her birthday is a couple days apart from theirs, so lots of birthdays to celebrate. Anyway, so I need to look at my list and add anything that I need onto my shopping list, because I'll have to go shopping either today or tomorrow if I don't do an Aldi Instacart order. And it's really strange outside because I think it's, sorry, I don't think it's snowing because it's 45 degrees. No, I think there's just little bits from plants flying around, but without my glasses on, it looks like it's snowing out there, and I was really confused because I know it's not cold enough to snow. Anyway, all right, focus. Back to what we're doing. And it's just basically checking your list. So if you have holiday cards to send out, which I do, I've gotten the first 5 of them addressed, and I've never sent them, and I haven't addressed any others, so I need to do that. Let's see, any packages that need to be mailed out, which I think the one I sent today is the only one I have. It's not really a holiday package. It was just someone that ordered Jordan Essential supplies and, you know, items, and that needed to be mailed out to them. And then if you have any online orders that need to be placed, make sure you get those ordered, because we're approaching the cutoff deadline for a lot of companies. I know with Jordan Essentials, if you order by December 15th, you're guaranteed for Christmas delivery, but wherever you're ordering from, it could be different. So make sure you get those things ordered if that's the case. And what else? I think that's just it. And then she says, set your timer for 15 minutes and maybe have a cup of tea once you're done. So I'm going to keep going with my list and reviewing things, making sure I have what I need, and getting ready for a nice weekend with family and enjoying that, and just finding those little moments that we can to slow down, enjoy each other's company, or just enjoy a little quiet and enjoy the season. So thanks for joining me today. I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and have a great one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.